After the shelves installation, I'm going to check out the power information on this particular LG refrigerator. Okay, so I have the user manual here and I'm going through this power information here. Okay, warning: electrical shock hazard for your personal safety. This appliance must be properly grounded. In the US, in Ghana, it means it must be properly earthed. Okay, so have a qualified electrician check your wall outlet to ensure that the plug is grounded or earthed properly. Okay, we have various types of plug top that you can use here. This type here, the type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. So you choose the right one, or whatever you choose, you have to make sure that it has its receptacle or outlet to match it. Okay, so recommended grounding method: your refrigerator must always be plugged to its own outlet, which is adequately grounded or earthed. The energy current should only be 115 volts 60 Hz or 127 volts 60 Hz or 220 volts 50-60 Hz. This is amazing. So with this particular refrigerator, it cuts across all the power system from 115 volts 60 Hz, 127 volts 60 Hz, and up to 220 volts 50-60 Hz. So the first power system, that 115 volts 60 Hz, 127 volts 60 Hz, it's for North American and also Japan electrical system, and 220 volts 50-60 Hz is for UK, Ghana and other countries. Okay, so this particular brand or model of LG refrigerator cuts across all the power system and is very good. Okay, so and it's this according to the national rating type, with a 15 amp fuse for voltages between 115 volts and 127 volts, or 10 amps to 220 volts independent voltage protection system from the main supply of your home. The electrical installation must be verified by a qualified technician. It continues to say, this provides the best performance and prevents an overload which could cause a fire from the overheating of the cables. Once again, there is a recommendation here: use of extension cables. It says we do not recommend the use of extension cables. However, if you still choose to utilize an extension cable, it is absolutely necessary that it is listed in the UL, that is in the United States, or CSA, that is in Canada, that it supports 3-pronged plugs, and that the electrical current supports a 15 amps fuse or breaker for voltages between 115 and 127 volts, or 10 amps to 222 volts. This is so good. This is so good. And it's very simple. It's straightforward. There's the power information about it. This particular refrigerator has a universal voltage, that is, it ranges from 115 volts to 220 volts. So wherever you might find yourself with this refrigerator, you are good to go to connect it to its power outlet. But with this particular, it's also rated here. This is the information in the user manual, but there is a particular information. So this is the model number here, LFDS22520/01. Okay, there's the model number. Okay, and it also comes with a product code. Okay, rating. Its power rating is 115 volts, 60 hertz, 3 amps, or the wattage is 230 watts. Wow! And this product was manufactured, or it's made in Mexico. Wow! Wow! So this is a very simple information about this very particular LG household refrigerator.